How to delete Albion Online account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open any browser. Type Albion Online Support at the search bar. And then click on this How do I contact Albion Online Support. Go ahead and copy the email. Long press on it and then click on Copy. And then open your email. Click on Compose at the bottom. At the To section, long press on it. And then paste the email that you have just copied. At the search bar, type Delete Account. And in Compose Email, go ahead and type that you are looking to delete your account. Put in your account details such as your username, email that is linked to your account, and other information. You can also type why you're looking to delete your account. Once you do so, go ahead and click on this Send icon. So this is how to delete Albion Online account. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.